Hey, Dan Passarelli here, coasting right into the weekend with a brand new all-time high in the S&P 500. Spiders closing at 694.07, with the VIX closing at 14.49. That is a pretty low figure. That means options are getting cheaper, but the market's not really moving that much. It's still arguably overpriced, even though it's low. That is an interesting place to be for option traders. Now, why was the market up today? Well, the jobs data, the monthly unemployment came in, non-farm payrolls, less than expected, but the unemployment rate improved. So that means that there's less strong evidence of the Fed tightening. Probably interest rates don't really move, get cut or tightened the next time around. Another thing to look at is the different sectors. So the energy sector, utilities, they did pretty darn well because, well, another tanker was taken off the coast of Venezuela, and Trump said something about it's going to be sold in some great energy deals. I don't know, sounds like cheap oil to me, and that's, I guess, good for energy companies. Also, the technology and semiconductor, those AI stocks doing pretty well, but this was an interesting one. I don't know if you caught that. Trump said that he wanted Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to buy up mortgages because that would push interest rates lower on mortgages, making it easier to buy homes. That was good for home builders. Now, there is some talk from the community that there's still not enough supply, but I guess that probably incentivize home builders to build more homes if interest rates are lower and people are more able to get loans. So that is one other reason why the market was up today, 0.6%. Now you got some homework to do this weekend to look into some of the things that we just talked about and get ready for some plays Monday morning. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a great weekend.